हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू लॉगरी। आई होप ऑल यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर TS Law CET 5 years LLB entrance exam in 1 month from zero. ठीक है, so we are going to discuss about the syllabus. We are going to discuss about the books that you should study from, and I'm also going to come up with a timetable. I'm going to give you a timetable also, right? So you can buy our mocks. You can enroll for our mocks. With the mock test, you're getting June 2024, from June 2024 till till May 2025, actually, current affairs MCQs completely free of cost. So do enroll for the mock test. Link is in the description box. Current affairs is a very important topic for TS Law CET 5 years. So yes, the test is designed to evaluate the candidate's ability, aptitude. Fine, the test consists of 3 parts. Yes, there are 3 sections. 120 questions are there. Duration is 90 minutes. Marks are 120 marks. Every question is of 1 mark. Part A consists of 30 questions from general knowledge and mental ability. Part B consists of current affairs, 30 marks. So you will see some questions in the general knowledge part also from current affairs. So the current affairs is on the higher side, the number of questions, and 60 questions from aptitude for the study of law. And 10 questions here, so 50 questions of legal aptitude and 20 questions of reading comprehension are going to be there in this exam. Okay, the online question paper shall consist of 120 multiple choice questions in 3 different parts. There is no negative marking for this exam. So even if you attempt the question incorrect, the marks are not going to be deducted. So for every correct question you get a 1 mark. You don't attempt, you don't get any marks. You attempt the question wrong, your marks are not going to be cut. Okay, so let's see the timetable. Indian Constitution, so you have to attempt a mock every 3 to 4 days, or I'll say attempt 1 mock every 5 in every 5 days. Attempt a mock. Okay, mock attempt karna, attempt a mock. Okay, ATM, I'm writing it. Okay, it is very important that you attempt mocks, right? And once the mocks are over, you can go back and attempt them again, not a problem at all. So for Indian Constitution, you can go for our course that are the I have covered lectures, so all the important concepts are covered in the lectures, and you also get most expected questions, and you also get chapter wise questions. So this can be one of the best ways to cover Indian Constitution. The link is in the description box. If you don't want to go for our course, you can go for Universal's book for CLAT and other law entrance exam, and from there you can cover Indian Constitution theory plus the MCQs. Okay, for reading comprehension, whichever book you're going to buy for your any other exams grammar part, from there you can solve. You can go for Neetu ma'am's book, you can go for SP Bakshi, any book that you have of English, from there you can practice. Okay, for legal terms and maxims, I've shared 2 PDFs on my website lawgiri.com. From there you can cover the legal terms and maxims. For contracts and torts as well as criminal, IPR, company law, I would like you to study LA and LR by Willy. Good level of legal aptitude is asked in this exam, so you can cover this from LA and LR by Willy, the theory part as well as the questions. And if you're investing in Universal's book, you can also cover legal awareness MCQs. There's a topic. So all of these slots that are free, you can use them to solve mocks as well as revision. Okay, moving on to the next thing. Blood relations, series, coding, decoding, analogy, direction sense test, odd one out, number of triangles, clocks and calendar. And thereafter we have no other no other topic from logical. So for logical, you can invest in Arihant's book for logical reasoning. From there, blood relations, you have to complete the topic. Series, complete topic, you have to solve. Coding, decoding, complete. Analogy and odd one out, you can give 1 hour to understand the concept and move ahead. Direction sense test is a very easy topic. Number of triangles, clocks and calendars, also complete topic you have to solve. Okay, next we have maths, that is percentage, numbers, average, percentage. I have done percentage twice, so replace that. Okay, so these are your maths topics. So for maths, you need to study 18 Days Wonder by S. Chand. 18 Days Wonder by S. Chand. Okay, then you have your current affairs. For maths, ratio, proportion, and age also you need to cover. Then we have, let's talk about static GK, facts related to Telangana. I'll try to upload facts related to Telangana with the mock test only. From there you can cover science, history, important days, study, geography. Different types of studies are called study of flowers, study of human body, right? Those type of questions. International organization, computers, books, important first, important days. All of these topics you can cover from universals, plus you also have to cover Arihan 2750 MCQs. Okay, you have to cover these. And then we have current affairs. January, February, March, April. You have to cover March and April. Then you have October, November, August, September. Here you can also cover December. Instead of this, you can cover December current affairs. Okay. So from where you should cover your current affairs. For current affairs you can go for our video lectures. Video lectures के लिए जा सकते हो आप. Video lectures जो हैं वो 7 to 8 hours के होते हैं हर एक महीने के, every month 7 to 8 hours, right? Or you can also solve our MCQs, right? So video lectures are in English, that is English and Hindi का mix. So if you have problem with that, you can go for MCQs directly that are being given to you with the mock test. From there you can practice. So video lectures, if you can understand Hindi, that is great, like Hindi and English. So 7 to 8 hours. You can make chotu notes, and you can revise from these notes. So best way to cover. Otherwise you need to cover from June 2024 till May 2025 the current affairs. So you can buy the current affairs lecture separately. Also we are also providing you from June till April 2025 a bundle that is for rupees 1500, wherein video lectures are provided from June till April 2025, June 2024 till April 2025. So you can go for that also. So this is the complete strategy. If you are new to the preparation of this exam, you can go through the playlist wherein I have provided the syllabus, books and everything. That is going to give you a better understanding of this exam. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and you can also message me on Instagram. I'm there by the name I am LAWGiri. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye and take care.